Hey, what's going on? Anatoly here, and as always, we are tackling different aspects of Agile and Jira, and I'm answering your questions. So somebody asked me, how can you see the list of all the agents in your Jira Service Desk project? It's pretty easy, and I'm gonna cover that. But before I'm gonna do it, I have an offer that I'm just rolling out. So if you guys are interested in having a session with me one-on-one, where I'm gonna look at your Jira and help you out, you can go to a link below in the description and schedule that, and then we'll talk, which is amazing. But now let's get to the meat of the question. So I'm in my Jira Service Desk project. All I need to do to see all the agents is go to project settings. Here I go to people. And here we are. In people we have administrators and we have this thing called Service Desk Team. So whoever is in the Service Desk Team are and the agents. You can also just go and click on Service Desk Team and you will see all the agents for your organization. Hope it helps. It was a very quick tutorial, but I want to make sure that I'm answering your guys' questions. So if you do have questions, please put in the comments down below. I'm happy to create a video about them or answer. If you look at the comments and answers, I try to answer every single comment here if it makes sense, and if I know the answer. If I don't, I research and I'll probably record a video. If this brought you value, if you're looking for that and you found an answer, please take a second and subscribe and also like this video, because this allows me to spread it to more and more people. Again, it was Anatoly. I appreciate you. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.